Good morning, children. This is Renuka teacher, your computer science teacher. So, you all were enjoying your lockdown, right? But last few days, teachers are giving online classes. Do you like online classes? Okay, there are some limitations. We couldn't meet, we couldn't interact each other, right? Sometimes, if it is a classroom, if I ask something, you can respond. I can hear that. But in this platform, it is not possible. It is little difficult for us to teach like this, but no other way. We have to study things like this. No problem. Do you like this location? Very nice, right? And this person is trying to sketch my face. Okay, he is a very good artist. Let him do his job. Shall we go to class? Okay. Good morning, children. Lesson 1 is computer applications. What do you mean by computer applications? Computer applications means the places where we can apply computer or the places where we can use computer for doing different jobs. Before we discuss about computer applications, let us go to the definition of computer. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that processes data and gives out information. Already we have studied in third standard, second standard and first standard. And what are the different types of computers? You can see on the picture desktops, laptops, tablet and even smartphones are considered as types of computer. No need to introduce all these things to you because you all are familiar. You all are using your smartphone, tab, or laptop to see the classes because we are living in a digital world. So, what are the different types of computers? Desktop, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. See, all these computers are familiar to you, and we can purchase it from any shop or we can possess it. But there are some other types of computers we cannot purchase. They are huge in size and its performance is 1,000 times faster than normal PCs or normal computers. See, look at the picture. Workstation. This is a type of computer. Then mainframe computers. See how huge it is? And another one, supercomputers. All these computers are used in organizations like bank, airports, railway stations, weather forecasting stations, and space stations. See, computers like workstations, mainframe computers, and supercomputers are used in huge organizations like airports, railway stations, banks, weather forecasting stations, and space stations. Look at the picture. This is Param. Param is the first supercomputer developed in India. Keep in mind, Param is the first supercomputer developed in India. So there are some computers that can be purchased or possessed by common people, and there are another set of computers like supercomputers, mainframe computers and workstations. All these computers are used in huge organizations. Huge organization means that need more faster computing. Okay, see, like weather forecasting, space researches, we need computers that can perform very fast and accurate, and it doesn't stop. It work for these computers can work for a long time, for 50 or 100 years continuously. So computers are divided into okay, let us see next thing. Places where we use supercomputers: bank, airport, railway station, weather forecasting stations, and space stations. These are the different places where we use supercomputers or mainframe computers. There are some other devices. There are some other helping devices that help the computer to read information from a computer, read information from products. For example, barcode reader. Barcode reader is a torch-like device used in supermarkets and malls or any other shops. Okay, usually using for billing. See, whenever you visit a supermarket or mall, after purchasing things, at the bill counter, you can see this machine. Okay, the shopkeeper keep the items and keep this device over the items and read the barcode. Can you see the barcode? One rectangle, that is not barcode, it is QR code. Okay, barcode or QR code is read by this machine and sent to computers, and thus make billing very easy. So what is the use of barcode reader? Barcode reader reads information from the product and feeds into the computer. It is a torch-like device. What is barcode reader? Barcode reader reads information from the product and feeds into the computer. See another device. This is Kindle. Kindle is a wireless reading device. It helps us to download and read books and magazines in digital format. Those who are interested in reading can purchase this. It resembles a small closed notebook. Understand? Kindle is a small wireless device, help us to download and read books and magazines. It is looking like a tab, right? It is a very small device. Okay, nowadays we are not using this device. So this much for today, and we will continue in the next class. What you have to do is take your textbook and read lesson 1, first and second pages. Lesson 1, first and second pages 3 times. So once again we can revise the class. What all things we have discussed in this class today? Yes, first we study the definition of computer. Then we study different types of computers that we can possess, a common man can possess. And there are also some computers like workstation, mainframe computer and supercomputers used in huge organizations like bank, railway station, airports, weather forecasting stations, and also space researchers, etc., etc. These computers can work for a long time without any tiredness, without any boredom. Understand, it is very fast. Compared to normal computer, it can perform 1,000 times, 1,000 or 10,000 times faster than a normal PC. So in the picture you can see first supercomputer developed in India, that is Param. Then what else? Some device places where we use supercomputers: bank, airport, railway station, weather forecasting stations and space stations. Then what we have studied? Yes, barcode reader. Barcode reader reads the information from the product and feeds it into the computer. It is a torch-like device. What is barcode reader? Barcode reader reads the information from the product and feeds it into the computer. You can see the device on the picture. Then what else? Kindle. Kindle is a wireless reading device. It helps us to download and read books and magazines. It resembles a small closed notebook. You can see the picture. Okay, understand children? So read the chapter. See, we will meet next week. Bye. Take care.